The machine tool industry is being swept up in a wave of ever-accelerating technology advancements. This technology wave integrates digital information to improve the performance of machines, people, and operations in ways never before possible. How can you leverage these digitally driven processes? The C-Numeric platform facilitates communication between design and production, maximizing end-to-end efficiencies. Using a digital twin, design for manufacturability, part programming, and toolpath optimization are done in the virtual world, maximizing the uptime of your CNC machines. Linking your CNC and CAD/CAM systems together streamlines processes and ensures manufacturing accuracy by centralizing all data related to the operation. You can access prints, parts programs, approvals, and inspection reports from any PC or networked CNC machine. Siemens is accelerating the digital revolution for progressive machine shops. The result is faster setups and increased machining efficiencies. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-Numeric CNC.